Welcome back to Island Life Live, dedicated to the achievement of excellence at the University of Hawaii in instruction, research, and service to the community. That's the mission of the University of Hawaii Professional Assembly, or UHPA. And coming up this weekend, UHPA is hosting a very special event for families in Lahaina. Joining me on the couch today are Christian Fern, UHPA Executive Director, and Nani Azman, who is from the University of Hawaii Maui College, a psychology professor. Aloha, family. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
We appreciate you. So I'm really excited. I am a major bookworm. I lived in the library as a child. That's where my mom just dropped us off because this is a great way for us to imagine and just explore, right? Explore the world without actually leaving our house. And our ohana in Lahaina, they have been through so much, family, so much tragedy and loss, but I hope that this event is going to offer some hope to them. Can you share a little bit about the first book event?
Sure, it's UHPA, our faculty and staff, our members. We're bringing the first book event to Lahaina. Princess Nahiana Elementary on Saturday, August 24th. We have 5,000 books from based for Keiki pre-K all the way up to high school. And we brought some examples of the books here, but it's taking place from 9 a.m. Till noon on Saturday.
No, I'm noticing, Christian, these books are brand new. This is not like hand-me-down kind books this is all brand new books?
These are all brand new books. Our national union, AFT, they gave away their 10 millionth book this year. They've been partnering with First Book for over a decade. And so when we became an affiliate, we thought, hey, let's try and bring this book event to Hawaii. And we couldn't think of a better place than to start in Lahaina.
That's perfect. The first book event. Now, Nani, why do you think that this is important for UHPA to do?
I think, UHPA...
Especially coming from a psychologist's point of view. I think that's important, yeah?
Well, I mean, we teach college level, but for people to get there, they have to be, reading from an early age. And
Absolutely.
Actually one of the biggest predictors of success is not, fancy schools or tutors or anything like that. It's how often did you get read to as a kid? Or how many books were in your house? And so, with a lot of the families in Lahaina, they lost books and they lost access to their library. So, when this came up a couple of months ago, I was like, yeah, we got to do it right away. We got to do it in Lahaina. And then we found out that they're like, it's kind of a compressed timeline. I was just like, well, can we do it? Because I was like, I'm going to do this, right? And by the end of the week, Christian was on the phone with me with our AFT National Representative David Stiliano, and they said, yeah, we're going to do a small event, just 5,000 books, and I'm like, going, small, 5,000? And then, so, I think the first thing I said to you guys was like, hey, what do I need to do next, right? Because I just hit the ground running. I found out a little bit later that these things usually take 6 months to plan.
Nope,
I'm really glad I didn't know that right away, because it may not be happening.
No,
this
I
Saturday
love it.
if I had known
Christian, you guys felt the need and you guys powered through it. Nobody told you, what a deadline was, because you guys know that Lahaina is in need of this. But I know that outside of books, they're also going to be getting lots of other activities and fun stuff for the family. Can you share that?
Yeah, so we're going to have free popcorn, cotton candy. We actually are partnering with the fire department. So the fire department's going to be there giving away, talking about fire safety. And, it's going to be a real fun event because we even got people coming to play some music and, just more of a family-friendly type of event.
I love it. Now, we just got a few more seconds, but can you tell us, is there any limits on the amount of books that a child or a family can have?
It's 5 books per keiki or 20 for the whole family. And we'll even have Lori Abreu, a local author from Maui, who is going to be reading her book, and she's autographed 100 copies. All of the proceeds from the book, which are the books, go to the families in Lahaina.
I imagine the 5,000 books are going to go fast, so families should get there early. Yeah?
Correct. First come, first serve, yes.
Beautiful. Christian Fern, Nani Azman, mahalo for all that you do. Thank you so much, family. Again, this is all about First Book. Woohoo! All right, we're going to go to break, and we'll be right back with some great music. Yee-hoo!